everyone. I am Lima Mary Vidhu, studying 5th standard in Baligamadam High Secondary School. Now I am going to introduce Plant Diversity Register. Plant Diversity Register. Autotrophs. Green plants prepare their own food. Hence, they are called autotrophs. Example, all green plants. Coconut tree, mango tree. Spices. Substances that are added to food materials to get taste and smell. Example, pepper, cloves, turmeric, ginger, cardamom, cumin, fenugreek, cinnamon and fennel. Medicinal plants. Medicinal plants are also called medicinal herbs. Have been discovered and used in traditional medicine practices since prehistoric times. Example, Kayoni, Tulasi, Kacholam, Panikurka, Kattarvada, Mukutti, turmeric, ginger, neem, pepper, touch me not, curry leaves, hibiscus. Epiphytes. The plants depend on other plants only for shelter. These plants have thick roots which absorb moisture from the atmosphere, so these plants can grow even without soil. Such plants are called epiphytes. Example, Vanda, Siratali, Orchid, Bulbophyllum. Parasitic plants. Some epiphytes. The plants depend on other plants only for shelter. These plants have thick roots which absorb moisture from the atmosphere. So these plants can grow even without soil. Such plants are called epiphytes. Example, Vanda, Siratali, Orchid, Bulbophyllum. Parasitic plants. Some plants absorb some essential substances from host plants and prepare food or food itself from the plants on which they live. Such plants are called parasitic plants. They are of two types, partial parasite plants and total parasites. Partial parasite. They absorb only water and minerals. Example, Loranthus sandal. Total parasite. They absorb food from the host plant. Example, Replicia cuscuta. Both partial parasites and total parasites harm the host plants. Saprophytes. Some living things grow absorbing nutrients from decomposed matter. They are known as saprophytes. Example, Neotia and Monotropa are saprophytic plants. Mushroom and fungi are saprophytic animals. Creepers. Weak-stemmed plants that grow creeping on the ground are called creepers. Example, sweet potato, hydrocotyle, strawberry, tadudama, etc. are examples. These plants do not possess tendrils or clinging roots. Climbers. Climbers are weak-stemmed plants. Climb on other plants. They are of three types. Plants having tendrils. Example, ash gut, snake gut, bitter gut, cucumber, passion fruit, pumpkin. Having clinging roots. Example, pepper, money plant, beetle plant. leafiness. Example, pea, yam, grapes. Prop roots. The roots grow from the branches to the soil to support the bigger branches. Example, banyan tree. Stilt roots. The roots grow from the main stem to the soil to support to the plants. Example, corn, sugarcane, screw pine. Breathing root. The tip of the roots grow towards the atmosphere. Some plants grow in marshy areas, has a special type roots which grow towards the atmosphere. These roots help in gaseous exchange and called breathing root. Example, mangroves. Storage roots. Roots that store food are called storage root. Example, carrot, beetroot, tapioca, radish, sweet potato, dahlia, asparagus. Underground stems. Tubers formed from modified stems. Example, elephant yam, colocasia, turmeric, potato, Chinese potato, arrowroot, ginger.